Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my studio. This video will be channel update. I will reveal some projects that I will make in the future, and also in the end of this video I will pick a winner for the mBOT Ranger robot. Let's start. Okay, here it is my sketchbook for my projects. Here I draw my projects before I publish on YouTube, and I'm gonna reveal one of my fun projects, which is walnut project, and I'm gonna make a great gadget out of this walnut. I have already drawn a sketch, will be Arduino based and will be fun. Next is to reveal my bigger project, which is making a wooden desk shelves. You can see on middle will be the monitor. From left and right side there will bunch of boxes for parts. I'm gonna place the soldering iron there, the digital multimeter. Here it is the frame. At the middle will be the monitor. From the right and the left side I will have a shelves, all made from wood, and will be like a very functional desk. Okay, I'm hoping that I will make it. Also, in this channel update video I want to mention that there will be a lot of Arduino projects, and I'm gonna use this Arduino Mega board that have many digital outputs and inputs. That will be very nice. And also I will make epoxy resin projects, skeleton epoxy resin projects like this one. One of my successful projects was this project. It's a very simple LED light, but in transparent case. And also I'm preparing similar gadget like this one, but will not be the light, will be something else. And for the last, before I pick the winner for this guy, which is a mBOT Ranger robot, I'm gonna reveal you this project, which is heating stove, no electricity needed. I have already sketched the plans, and I will make this in the new year 2024. Okay, and now let's proceed to picking a winner for the mBOT Ranger robot. 2 weeks ago I have uploaded a video about reviewing this mBOT Ranger robot made by makeblock, and makeblock will give one free mBOT Ranger robot to one lucky subscriber of my channel. And right now I'm gonna pick up the winner. Okay, I'm gonna use a pick a winner website. I'm gonna load all the comments from the video and pick some lucky winner to win a free mBOT Ranger robot. And the winner is WS Creations 555. He wrote, "Hello, I'm not lucky, but I will take the risk, whatever. Happy Christmas. Congratulations, you won a free mBOT Ranger robot. Please reply to my comment on the video." That was all for today's video. I revealed some of my next projects, and I picked the winner for this mBOT Ranger robot. And here it is, the guy who win the mBOT Ranger robot made from makeblock, and the guy is WS Creation 555, and he wrote, "Hello, I'm not lucky, but I will take the risk, whatever. Happy Christmas." Thank you very much, and thank you for watching. See ya!